Hello, everyone. Today we will learn how to talk at the dentist. If you are ready, let's begin.
Hello, doctor.
Hello. Please come in. How can I help you today?
I have a toothache. It hurts a lot.
I'm sorry to hear that. Which tooth hurts?
This one on the left side. It started 2 days ago.
I see. Does it hurt when you eat or drink?
Yes, especially when I drink something cold.
Okay. Did you take any medicine for the pain?
Yes, I took a painkiller, but it did not help much.
All right. Let me take a look at your tooth. Please open your mouth.
Okay, doctor.
Good. I will check your teeth carefully. I can see the problem tooth. It looks a little damaged.
Is it serious?
I want to be sure. We will take a small X-ray. It will help me see inside your tooth.
Okay. Is it painful?
No, it is quick and easy. Please sit still.
All right.
Good. The X-ray is ready. Let me check it now.
What do you see?
You have a small cavity. That is why your tooth hurts.
Oh, I understand. What can we do?
I checked your X-ray carefully. You have a small cavity in your tooth.
What is a cavity?
A cavity is a small hole in the tooth. It happens because of bacteria and sugar.
Oh, I see. Is that why I feel pain?
Yes. The cavity makes your tooth sensitive, especially to cold and sweet food.
Will it get worse if I do nothing?
Yes, it can get bigger and cause more pain or infection.
I understand. Can you fix it?
Yes, of course. We can treat it easily before it gets worse.
Okay, doctor. What should we do next?
We need to clean the tooth and fill the cavity. It is a simple treatment.
Will it hurt?
No, I will give you local anesthesia. You will not feel pain.
That's good. How long will it take?
About 20 to 30 minutes.
Okay, let's do it.
Great. Please relax and open your mouth. I will start now.
I am ready.
Good. Everything is going well. We are almost finished.
Thank you, doctor.
All done. Your tooth is fixed now.
Thank you. It feels much better already.
Your mouth may feel a little numb for a few hours. Do not eat hard food today.
Okay, I understand.
Brush your teeth twice a day and avoid too much sugar.
I will be careful.
Also, come for a checkup every 6 months.
Yes, I will. Thank you for your help. I am glad I visited the dentist today. My tooth feels better now.
Taking care of your teeth is very important for your health.
I will brush my teeth regularly and visit the dentist on time.
That is a great habit. Healthy teeth make a happy smile.
If this lesson helped you, please support our channel.
Like the video and subscribe for more easy English.
Please write in the comments. Have you ever had a toothache?
See you next time. Take care of your smile.